the Clayton County Tax Assessor and you. We've already passed the first of the year, which means that the Clayton County Tax Assessor has begun the annual assessments of properties in the area. Although this is likely nothing new to residents of Clayton County, it never hurts to get a refresher course on how the whole process works. For this reason, we thought it would be worthwhile to answer some frequently asked questions that people have about the Clayton County Tax Assessor. Will I know when the Clayton County Tax Assessor has visited? In most cases, the Clayton County Tax Assessor will visit your home at some point during the day between now and spring to assess the value of your property. The visits are usually quite short, and you may not even notice that they've come if you're at home at the time. Once they've visited, you should receive a notice on your door that says that they've been by. When will I be notified of this year's assessment? As mentioned, the property assessments will be ongoing for the next several months. After a determination has been made as to the assessed value of your property, you will be notified by mail. You should expect to receive your assessment notice sometime before the 1st of July. This notice, however, will not be your actual property tax bill. Rather, it will reflect an estimate of the Clayton County property taxes that you'll owe, which will be based upon the millage rate of the previous year. When am I eligible to file for exemptions? If you're going to be filing for exemptions, you'll need to take care of that between January 1st and April 1st. The most common kind of exemption that homeowners in Clayton County file for is the homestead exemption. In order to file for this particular exemption, you'll have to fill out the requisite form. You can get this form either by visiting the tax assessor's office or by downloading it from the Clayton County Tax Assessor's website at http://www.claytoncounty.gov/. department/tax-assessor/forms.aspx. Can I appeal my property's assessed value? Absolutely. However, it's important to note that you have a limited time frame in which you can do so. After you receive the notice containing your property's assessed value, you will have 45 days to file an appeal. You can file this appeal on the grounds that the assessment is incorrect, that the assessment fails to fall in line with the assessments of other similar properties, or that the assessed property is not taxable. To file an appeal, you will need to fill out a simple appeal form, which you can download from the previous link, or you will need to send a letter stating your intent to appeal to the Clayton County Tax Assessor's office. What to do if you have a problem with your tax bill? Remember that the Clayton County Tax Assessor is not responsible for sending out bills. The tax commissioner handles that. If you have a problem with your bill or questions about it, then you'll need to get in touch with them. You can visit their website or you can give them a call at this number, 770-477-3208.